Hello and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about being absent from school. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. Don't worry, just speak clearly and try your best. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Are you ever absent from school?
Sometimes I absent from school.
How often are you absent from school?
I'm absent from school 1 or 2 a year.
Why are you sometimes absent from school?
I sometimes absent from school because I'm sick.
What do you do when you absent?
When I absent, I stay home.
Do you tell your teacher when you are absent?
Yes, I tell my teacher when I absent.
Who help you with your lesson when you are absent?
My teacher and my parents help me with lesson.
Do you miss your friend when you are absent?
Yes, I miss my friend when I absent.
How do you feel when you absent from school?
I feel happy when I absent from school.
What can you do to be absent less often?
I can care my health and I sleep early.
Is it good or bad to absent from school? Why?
It is bad absent from school because I miss important lesson.
Well done. You did a great job today. Thank you for your speaking clearly and try your best. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep practicing and take a good care of yourself.